Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma haba kren shakilat pathai Khubor hakasaw tarik Nailur hajar arpusaw iathuh bala ban pynbteng biang Jingiakren jingpynbeit Assam Wat Kaba tylli jaka badangsa hapdeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam bnai Risaw hajar arpusaw. Conrad ula pyntip ba ula dab iakren yakani Kham Myntri Rangbah ka Assam jingiakynduh iabamja lalai taiew lani shibnai mynshuwa. Conrad ula paru ba jingpynbeit Assam Wat Kaba kadai ba Kham Jwat namar kini jaka kidang dan hapdeng Jingiakren Pynbeit Pud kum than langpi psiar khanduli block 1 but block 2.
Yes, I had a dinner meeting with Honorable Chief Minister of Assam about 3 weeks or about a month back. It was of a casual dinner, of course, nothing official. We had discussed all the matters, and we both decided that at the earliest, I expect that maybe in the month of October, we should be able to have this next round. Things are complex, as I said, because these are very, very sensitive areas. So we will see how we will move forward. But we have decided that at that time we mentioned that within 2 months we will try to meet. So I expect that maybe in the month of October we should be able to meet. But I'll give the exact time and date to all of you when as a
supplementary to it?
No supplementary allowed.
No, but just one second. There's a reactor because the talks have been.
It's not about the zeal. It's actually the second phase is much more complicated, and therefore it's very sensitive. And hence, whatever we do and however we move forward in things, we need to be very careful. So that's the reason why in the first phase we looked at I shouldn't say low-hanging fruits, but the areas which we found were slightly more solvable in nature. So therefore, we are being sensitive and careful as we move forward. Locations like Langpi, locations like PCR, Khanduli, Block 1, Block 2. We understand that they have got a lot of complications. So it's not as simple as the first one. And therefore, though our desire and our intention is as firm as before, but because of the sensitivity of the situation and locations, we really want to be careful as we move forward so that we are able to resolve it in the proper ways and in a way in which we are able to create the right consensus also.